So my mom texted me asking if we wanted one of these pools for our dog. She was at Lidl and she found one for $13 and said they retail for $50 off of Amazon. So we're like, yeah, sure, that sounds great. I didn't pay that close attention to the dimensions, apparently. Sorry, Turbo.
Oh, I love you. Oh, God. Oh, thank you. Right there. Get it. Up, right. You're going to get, oh, thank you.
Damn, he's full, too.
Good boy.
Good, I can't even say it.
This is how we know who his real mom is. I can grab him, nothing. Now you. Just grab him.
Is it just too much? Less feet on the table? I know.
Blue.
To the ground. Oh. Oh my goodness. You're a little puppy. You're a little puppy. Growling at that doggy. Oh my goodness.
Just three dudes. Chilling on the couch. Nothing to see here. Other than this dude. Oh, okay.
You love me? Oh, she said yes!
Watch out, take it right out your face.
Oh my good Jesus. Allie, what the hell happened to you?
Whisper bark. Nope. Quiet. Whisper. You whisper bark. You go whoop. Yeah, like that. Woof.
Grabbing it. There you go.
What's that noise? What are you doing with the 2-liter in your mouth? Give me the freaking 2-liter. Get over here. Go. Put it down. What are you doing? Always in trouble.
Mango, what are you doing? Mango.
Don't call me cute. I'm not cute. I'm a menace to society. Okay?
Don't crack it, please.
That's very good.
What are you gonna do with it?
I've never seen her tail do that. Full helicopter.
Blue, what are you doing?
Se sei felice tu lo sai, dici bu bu. Brava, ma. Se sei felice. Max. 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 Maxie. I said no. You cannot get on the yoga mat. I already told you can't get on the yoga mat. What are you doing in the bathtub?
What again?
Good job. Can you do it? Yay! Come on, puppy. Yay! Puppy, puppy.
Oh my god, Lex got... Oh, Lex! Alright, see you later, Lex! God, Lexi! Come on!
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
This is Halloween.
Lie down. Lie down.
Oh, good job, Lou.
Good
so
job.
smart.
Lou, come on! No, Lou! No, Lou!
Bear. You're supposed to be a golden retriever, a family dog.
Where's your ball?
Cute.
Tiana seems to love peanut butter.
To get her head
Tyson, are you going to help her out?
Monty, no!
Buddy, you gotta put your tongue back in your mouth. It's gonna dry out. It's gonna dry out. Put that away.
Don't toot this time. Whisper.
A few moments later.
What do you want? What do you want? You want rotisserie chicken, don't you? No!
I love you. Say it. Huh?
Tina.
My baby, where you going? My baby, where you going? Saan napunta ikaw? My baby, where you going? My baby, I love you. I love you po.
Oh my god. Jock.
Jock, what are you doing? Jock.
Get it, Nemo. Go get it. Fetch.你这是临阵起手吧？是呀。
What are you doing, dude? Huh? You shit on a table?
Good. Well done. Is that nice? When you have an English bulldog, you just try to have a cup of tea. Freddie, get your bum out the face now.
¿Qué?
La vaca.
¿Por qué?
Porque saca la pupa.
¿Por qué?
Porque se está quemando.
Oh dear. Oh God. Okay.
Yesterday I saw Lorenz drive down the street from Jim, and he said he said
Ready, set, go.
Touch. Touch. Good girl. Touch.
哦，你不要在我衣服这里这样睡啊！
Up.
Is it snowing? Is it snowing outside? Oh my, okay. Oh my. Oh, look. Okay, hold on. You ready?
哎哎，你让我怎样？
Oye, oye. Luna, come here. Luna, come here. No, don't go outside with that, Luna. Luna, come.
You're so helpful, buddy.
Ready?
Oh my God.
Did that hurt?
Bro, get your big ass away from me, bro. Beat it. Shut up.
He's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
Stop. 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 Bro, stop. Come here. Now. Stop. Stop. Okay. Stop.
Oh!
Paw. Paw. Rhea, look, paw. New paw. Rhea, paw. Paw. Look. Paw.
Oh my god. Oh, what a good. Oh, there's 2. Oh my
Big bite always so terrifying.
Look how scary it is.
It's so scary.
Look how scary that thing is.
Oh, I
Come on, Franklin. Oh, this is a horrible. Oh, there. Oh, whoa. What? Oh my God.
You fall asleep in the dinner tray.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! Wait.
He's so cute.
Hey, me.
Who got into the trash? Aries. Did you do this? What did you do? Aries.